Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, septimo, and Sander Nunes. In the kitchen we are Fire. Good morning from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, septimo, and Sander Nunes. In the kitchen we are Fire. Hi guys, okay Sander, let's begin the recipe, okay? High five. High five to mommy. Good. So okay, show the people what's the recipe. Okay guys, this is our recipe today. We have, what is this Sander? Banana. And this? Egg. This is? Sugar. This is? What is this? Flowers. This is? Chocolate. And this, what is this? Salt. And this one? Baking powder. This one is coconut. Okay, and this? What is this? Milk. Okay, say hi to people. Say hi. Yes, look at the camera. Hi. We're gonna make mommy and Sander cake. Yeah? Muffin cake. Okay guys, we're gonna make the muffin cake with banana and chocolate chip with coconut. Okay, let's begin. Okay Sander, can you put the flour in the bowl? Put the flour. All-purpose flour. Okay. Salt. Dry ingredient first. Okay. Okay guys, put this one like that. Wow, baking powder. And this sugar. Well done. Okay. This one add later. Okay guys. And chocolate chips and mix together. Mix together.
No, on my turn.
Oh, mix it. Yeah, I know you make it. No, well done. Later. Yeah, mix it for the milk. Okay, milk. Put the milk on slowly. Wow. Mix it. Good boy. Okay. That's it. And mommy gonna help with the egg, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, break it. Wow, don't mix it.
No, on the potato.
Come on, Daddy.
On the potato.
With the egg. Oh, wow, the egg is cooking.
Yeah, egg is cooking.
Okay. Okay, now mix it
Bite
properly. Mix properly.
Bite
Okay.
egg.
And then we're gonna mash this banana, okay?
Okay, now.
Keep it aside and mash the banana. I'm gonna help guide to Sander to mix this, okay? Otherwise, it's really hard for him. Okay. Okay, darling. Make the banana like this. Mommy gonna help you. And then mash it. Mash. Don't eat. You need to mash here like this. Oh. Done. Okay. Mix it. Sorry. Wow. It's hard for you, isn't it?
I'm very strong.
How strong?
I'm strong.
You.
Yeah.
Good boy, you're strong.
I did
Okay,
it.
mommy gonna mix it and then later you do it. Okay, guys, look at this.
Hey, you, this picture. Why you putting it now?
Okay, speak to the camera. Hello people.
Hello, people.
How are you? I'm making, what are you gonna make today?
Cookie!
Cupcake. Muffin.
Oh, like Nana.
You like banana?
No.
Okay. And then we can put them here. Okay, we're gonna put the banana. Everything, okay? Something helping me. Okay, that's it. Mix together. Yeah.
Hey, cereals.
Oh, this one is better for you because it's small. Come on, mix it. Is amazing, yeah? Okay, come on. Okay. I'm gonna need to be mixed well, people. So I'm helping to my son. Guys. Good. That's it.
Look,
Okay.
Mama.
It's time to put now in here. Okay. But a little bit. Come on. Mommy gonna help you. Oh, come on.
No, it's
What is it?
No, it's volleyball.
Just okay. Mommy holding for you. Come on. Come on.
We all put it.
Yeah, later on the top you can put that. Okay, come on. Okay. Kuko na. Put na.
No, it's mine. No, it's my turn.
You told. Come on. Wow, well done. Okay. Come on now. And put. You can put na in here.
I want to put the coconut.
May coconut. Wow.
No, like coconut.
Oh, I love this.
No, like coconut.
You put it in here. And another one. My son is left-handed, so it's really hard for him.
Oh, it's strawberry.
Strawberry. Yeah, strawberry later. I'm gonna make for you strawberry as well, isn't it? Oh, come on. Don't do that. You have this doubling. Doubling. Do you want to eat this one later when you finish cooking? Anyway. Wow! Nearly done. Come on. Look at this.
What's clay?
Oh, come on now. Look at this. You muffin cake. Oh my god. Why are you playing my heart? Wow, yummy, isn't it?
Ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Felicidade só
Wow,
conheci
amazing.
depois que eu encontrei você.
What do it to mommy?
Estou
Hey, what happened to your banana cake? A banana muffin?
sou outra pessoa. Só quem me conheceu antes de você já pôde perceber.
Come on now. Today is really
Você veio pra mudar o meu destino.
Come on, look at this.
Você
Alright, Kusan, please stop it.
No one did.
sonhador.
You know that because it's hurt.
Tirou do meu coração a tristeza e a agonia, libertou-me das fantasias e da
Look at this. Oh, yummy, huh?
transformou meu sorriso
You not pay attention to your cooking.
com seu
Come
sonho
on.
lindo e amor de verdade. Me mostrou
That's it. Look at this. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so the people, your cake is look amazing. Okay. Oh. Say hello to people. Hi, this is my cake. Have a look. Come on. Like that. Come on. Look. Oh. Say hi. And come on.
Wow.
Oh, yummy, huh? You're gonna put that in the oven, isn't it? Yeah, later you're gonna eat. Say bye-bye to people. Hiya.
Bye.
See you later. What do you think to you, muffin? It's amazing.
Hey, look.
It's
It's
amazing.
water.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at what I say. Hi people, look my muffin. Come on.
Look.
Look. Say to them.
Look. Dada, look.
Oh. Wow. It's amazing.
It's
Yeah.
right.
I feel hungry. I need to eat.
It's right.
Yeah, me too. Don't touch it's hot. Okay.
It's right.
Hi.
Mommy, it's right.
Yeah, it's going up.
Mommy, it's right. Mama.
Yes, darling.
It's right.
It is. You made it.
Mama!
Eat, darling.
It's white.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's white.
Smells delicious.
Mom!
Yes.
It's white.
Yes. Wow.
Hey, look at the light.
Yeah, look at that.
No,
no.
look at the white.
Yeah, I know.
Look at the white.
Look at that, guys. Look amazing. Sunday, well done. It's hot. Okay, look at this. Wow. Well done, Sandra. High five. High five. You're gonna eat later, okay?
Again.
Oh, that is so strong.
On the big one.
Big one. Come on. Oh, already 1, 2, 3. Already 1, 2, 3. He's so strong. Do a kiss.
Mommy again.
Amazing, guys. Look at that.
Mama.
Really delicious. I
Mama.
cannot wait to eat. Oh, amazing.
Mommy,
Say
stop.
bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, cookie.
Say bye-bye to people.
Só conheci depois que eu encontrei você. Estou rindo à toa, sou outra pessoa. Só quem me conheceu antes de você já pôde perceber o quanto mudei. Você
taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world,